It's almost Sabbath when we rest from our week's work and we're just ready to rest and rejuvenate. And for this Sabbath, we're going to fry some beautiful rock snapper that I've picked up from the local market. I'm going to put some Escovitch fish sauce on both of them and we're going to have them for Sabbath. We are just ready to rest and relax from a week of work, and we're going to welcome a new coming week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified once I post a video. Go your way, eat the fat, and drink the sweet. Send portions unto them for whom nothing is prepared, for this day is holy unto our Lord. Gonna add some vinegar and get my vegetables ready for my Escovitch fish sauce. Now I'm going to add all my vegetables and I will saute for a while before I add a pinch of salt and my pimento and a little bit of sugar to balance the tartness. The fish sauce has finished and now we will go ahead and fry our fish. It's now time to season our fish with salt and black pepper. It's now time to plate our fish and I will add a couple leaves of lettuce and place our fish on it. I will now add the Escovitch fish sauce over the fish to let that soak in.
What is about wait.
Guys, our fish is ready for Sabbath. We're ready to feast and eat and rest. Look at this, guys. One big plate of Escovitch rock snapper for Sabbath. Can't get no better. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Look at this, beautiful. Dinner is served and I want to wish you a happy Sabbath. So from my family to yours, Shabbat Shalom. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man that trusted in him.